enthusiast, today's market is on fire. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investments and calculated gains. Let's dive into today's market action. The cryptocurrency scene has experienced a notable boost today. This surge in optimism comes as we await the US Consumer Price Index data release later this week. Plus, the upcoming Federal Open Market Committee meeting is adding extra layers of intrigue and volatility to the market. Starting with Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency has shown impressive resilience. Bitcoin is up by 3.02% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at $56,568.19. Despite this daily gain, Bitcoin has struggled over the past week, down by 4.50%.
This recent uptick might be a sign that investors are positioning themselves ahead of the CPI data, which could influence future price movements significantly. A higher than expected CPI could mean trouble with potential sell-offs in risk assets like cryptocurrencies. Conversely, a lower CPI might provide Bitcoin and other digital assets with a further bullish boost. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has also seen some movements. It's up 1.75% today, trading at $2,336.40. However, Ethereum has faced its share of challenges recently with a 7.32% drop over the past week. Adding to the volatility, Ethereum's ETFs have experienced outflows totaling $5.20 million. This suggests some investors are reassessing their positions as they brace for the upcoming economic data and the FOMC meeting. Turning to the broader altcoin market, there's a mixed bag of performance today. Polkadot is up 2.74% at $4.24. Solana has gained 3.54%, now trading at $132.91. Ripple has also risen by 1.02% today to $0.53. On the other hand, Shiba Inu, the popular meme coin, is up 2.14% to $0.00001337, but it's still down 2.55% for the week. Now let's look at today's biggest gainers. Popcat has surged a staggering 15.53%, reaching $0.613. Phantom follows with a 13.68% increase, trading at $0.4843. Aave, a leading DeFi protocol, is up 8.74% to $137.88. And Bitinsaw has climbed 8.68%, now at $274.32. These gains are likely driven by strong market interest and positive developments within these projects. Unfortunately, not all coins are performing well today. Helium is the biggest loser, down 6.86% to $7.72. BitTorrent and Starknet also faced declines, with BTT dropping 3.19% and Starknet down 1.68%. These losses reflect a mix of market corrections and uncertainty around these projects. As we prepare for the CPI data release and the FOMC meeting, expect continued volatility in the crypto market. These events are crucial as they could influence Federal Reserve policies on interest rates, impacting investors' appetite for risk assets like cryptocurrencies. For more updates and insights, make sure to stay tuned to Analytics Insight, your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video.